In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your reposts on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok application and now let's say I want to repost that video. In that case, all I have to do is hit there at share icon and then tap on repost. Now, this video has just been reposted and let's say I want to find this video later after I reposted it, or I want to see other videos that I reposted before. And for now, TikTok doesn't give you ability to see those videos, so the only way to see your reposted videos later is to simultaneously add this video to your bookmarks. So after you have reposted the video, just tap here at bookmark icon, and then if you want to find all your bookmarked videos, all you have to do is hit at your profile and then tap on that icon to get access to all your bookmarked videos. As you can see, now I got this video right here. I can tap on it and watch it later. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.